The purpose of doing, if you take a look at lean, that was a whole discussion. If you take a look at lean and you look at the tactical side of lean, so if you look at we talked about the different flows, right? So if you look at the technical side, we focus on a lot of the technical stuff and have for many years. So we put standard working, we put all the tools in to enable people to follow our process. But it's really following the process is so that you can see if there's any variation. You want to drive improvements to it all the time. And that curiosity is what helps people want to drive improvements to it all the time. If you enable them by putting something in the system, or if you don't enable them by putting a system that doesn't allow for that to happen, then you will squash that curiosity. You'll squash that ability to want to make change.